Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and new cleaning clients through digital marketing. And would you like better engagement on your content, maybe more shares, maybe more likes, or just more conversions from the content you create? Well, today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make engaging content to market a cleaning business. So let's get into it. So one thing to really understand is that you want to focus on what's in it for your potential customers. You know, one thing that we see a common mistake out there with cleaning businesses is that all they ever talk about is just really the features of their business, or talking about how great their business is, how, long they've been in business, all these different things that most people don't really care about. If it came down to it and everything else was equal, someone was torn between your cleaning service and another cleaning service, sure, they might decide that they'll go with your business because you've been in business for 30 years and the other person's only been in business for 10 years. But most people really don't care about those kind of things at all. So if that's what your content is really just focused on, is mainly the features of your business, like how long you've been in business, what type of services you have, all these different things, kind of coming from the mindset of like, look at how great we are. Most people don't care about that at all. So when you want to create content that's actually engaging as a way to market a cleaning business, you want to focus on benefits first and how it actually helps your ideal customers, how it helps them solve their problems, avoid common pain points, help them answer their common questions, help them get better results in their life. Different things like that is really what your content should be focused on as a cleaning business. Now, really to the foundation of that is you need to research your ideal customer. Now, obviously that can vary from business to business. If you're doing residential cleaning, if you're doing commercial cleaning, right? These different people, this different target market are going to have different issues, different problems, so maybe you're like a commercial cleaning business. You might talk about problems like saving a company money, or how different things like day cleaning is good versus night cleaning, or what are some advantages of that, or what are some ways to improve efficiency, different things like that, right? And then when it comes to housekeeping businesses, it might be stuff like time savings, or benefits of spending more time with their kids, various things like that. So again, find out your ideal customer, their problems, what they're struggling with, what questions they have, and that's really what you need to create your content around when you market a cleaning business. So again, when your content is focused on benefits and solutions and solving problems, people actually want to read about it, right? They actually want to see it. They're going to share that. They're going to like that. They're going to actually visit your site versus just creating a bunch of posts about how great your company is, right? And so that's really what you want to focus on when you're creating content. So again, some different ideas of content that you could create that would be effective, things like cleaning hacks or cleaning tips, or even things like buyer's guides. So if you're in the residential cleaning space, if people are trying to do their own cleaning, maybe you create like a product buyer's guide of different products that work the best, or that are the cheapest, or the best results at the lowest price, right? Or what gets the best results, when they're actually cleaning, all these different things. So product guides, buyer guides, cleaning tips, different things like that can actually work very well to be engaging for someone versus just talking about how great your company is. Also, another thing that you might consider doing is creating content that basically talks about a problem or talks about things that your ideal customer should know, but that they don't know. So again, back to cleaning businesses, right? A lot of people don't necessarily understand things like insurance, a company being insured versus hiring like a cleaning lady. What is the difference between that? So different things like that where it could have a problem for your customer, right? So if they hire someone that doesn't have insurance, they get injured, they might be liable for that. And that's one of the risks they run of hiring just a random person to clean their home versus versus a legitimate cleaning business such as yours. And so talking about issues like that are important, and just think about different things like that that your ideal customer should know, but they really don't. And just you as an industry expert is able to explain that to them or create a valuable piece of content that educates them on that aspect of your business and of your industry. So when you do that, it can work very well. A couple other ideas that can work well is something like a time-lapse video. I know these can be kind of addicting to watch. You know, you see the videos on Facebook of people like cooking food, right? So they're putting the ingredients in and then it comes out at the end, this amazing dish. Well, it's the same kind of idea, just apply that to your cleaning business. So maybe you come into a room that's a complete mess. There's trash everywhere, clothes everywhere, right? And you do a time lapse of going from that dirty room to that clean room. That could be very entertaining to watch for people. And so you could create content like that. Also, it just really shows the thorough transformation, kind of like a before and after photo almost, but in video form of cleaning somebody's house. And so that could be another effective method to create engaging content to actually market a cleaning business. Another great option that you can use as well is testimonies. And so, you know, if you're looking for someone to help you sell more products, sell more services, generate more leads, why not ask a happy customer, right? You know, they're already excited about your business. They already pay you money, right? You know, they've probably been your customer for a long time, and they can just simply explain in their own words what they like about your service, what they like about your business, the value you bring to their lives, all these different things that they can talk about. And again, that's going to go a lot better than you just promoting your company again and telling them how great your business is when you're actually getting it from the words of a happy customer. It goes a long way. It builds more trust. It's a more credible source versus just you telling everyone about how great your business is. If it's somebody else, a happy customer, they can do a lot better job. Something to keep in mind too, if you are trying to get testimonies and reviews, different things like that, it can work better to actually give someone kind of an outline. So if there's specific areas you want them to talk about, you know, like the quality of your service, how efficient you are with your service, various things like that, give them kind of a script that they can follow. So, you know, they were looking for a cleaning service and here's the problem they had in their life, and then they found you've solved that. Here's why, here's what else I like, different things like that. Kind of give them an outline of things to say versus just kind of asking people, hey, will you give me a testimony? So giving them an outline to follow can be a great way to create content like that. And it's another great way to, again, create social proof that people do like your products, they do like your services, you do have happy customers, and that can get new customers on board as well. So definitely implement using testimonies and reviews for your business as a part of your content that you create as well. So again, guys, hopefully you got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share, and be sure to like the video as it really helps out our channel here. And then also, if you are just looking for more ways to get quality leads for your cleaning business, get more customers for your business, we actually put together a free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you're struggling to get quality leads for your business, you'd like to find out different ways to do that, definitely click on the link below this video to download that free training. And again, it's going to cover the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So click the link below the video to access that. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.